Hi seesters, it's Maddie, and today I'm going to be doing a back to school makeup tutorial. This is the final look. It's quick and easy, and like back to school, like you guys gotta look slaying for back to school. You'll thank me later. And on the first day of school, but walk into there and be like, I took like 10 minutes on this look. If you guys want to see the video, then you guys can keep on watching. Hopefully you want to see it. Oh my gosh, that's like that one video that bored is she. Okay, continue watching if you want to know how to do this look. Okay, so first we're going to start off by making sure your face is nice and moisturized. I moisturized my face already with my Clinique Daily Gel Moisturizer, I don't know. But I also spray Mario Badescu rose water. Can my dog stop barking? To make sure my face is like extra hydrated, and there's like pimples like on my nose because I've been breaking out from sweat. Love summer, it's so much fun. But I spray that on my face. Yeah, first you want to moisturize your face with Mario Badescu. My back is really hurting right now. Love that for me. Next you're going to do your eyebrows. Pretty self-explanatory. Everyone has a different way of doing their eyebrows. I just use dip brow pomade and an Anastasia brush. And I fill them in however way I feel like it that day. I fill them in differently every single time. I don't know, I have different methods. And you can always keep your eyebrows natural, but I like to fill them in. I'm probably going to do another eyebrow tutorial soon. I just don't know when. If you guys want to see that, then comment down below. But yeah, I'm going to be doing them. They don't look that different. Okay, anyways, so after I fill them in, I take my brown mascara. Where is it? Okay, I take a brown mascara. Don't really know where this is from. It was really cheap though. I just put that on top. You can take eyebrow gel and stuff, but whenever I do my eyebrows, I brush them up to make them natural and fluffy looking. It makes them look so much like fuller. I don't know, but like they just look so much better like that. This eyebrow looks really ugly today. It happens. Okay, they kind of look really ugly right now, but like it's fine. Anyways, you just want to conceal them. I conceal only underneath, but not even with a concealer, but you can use a concealer. I just use my foundation because I want it to like match me, not look like totally different. Okay, my nose is really itchy. Okay, there's one eyebrow. I use my finger to blend out the foundation. I actually have like an old like not even old. It's really from last year. I have a back to school makeup tutorial, but it's just not on my channel. It's on a collab channel. Kind of look crazy, but like I don't really care. If you have any extra foundation on your brush, just put it on your eye, because it won't be like full coverage if there's like not much on the brush. So it won't like be full coverage and you'll be doing great. So that's it. Bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Just kidding. Next is face makeup. Not much really. Pro tip: wet your sponge with warm water so the foundation can get melty and melt into your skin. Anyways, okay, I don't use concealer, but if you have a concealer that matches you, then use it. But I just use foundation. I use my foundation. This is a full coverage foundation. Oh my gosh, I said foundation so many times. And I just put it on spots that I want to cover up. There's a lot right now because I've been breaking out because of sweat from cheer. I literally had cheer yesterday and my skin went crazy. Love that for me. I put a lot on my nose just because my nose is the reddest part of my face and I don't like the redness in my face. But I just use my beauty blender and I lightly dab over it, and then I take a little bit more, and I put it under my eyes, like 3 dot. Blend that out, cover up my, just brighten them up. I have like dark circles, like light dark circles, because I don't get enough sleep. Also love that for me. So now that I have all that on, next I take my setting powder. Or no, I'm gonna take this brush right here. This is just to set, like, I'm gonna just set it like this and just rub it onto there so it doesn't like go crazy. See, I like the dewy look and everything, but I also don't. For school, it gets hot, you know, especially like back to school, especially because it's still summer. So like it's gonna be hot. I just realized on the first day of school, I'm not even gonna see Jada at my gym because I'm not gonna have gym. I just got really sad because for my back to school vlog, I wanted to like include her. Like she's gonna be in there for like lunch and stuff. Like I wanted to show that class because that class is about to be the best class ever. Just saying. T. Okay, so now that we set everything, because you have to set your makeup or you'll look like a fool. Like boo-boo the fool. We're gonna bronze. I use my butter bronzer, my Physicians Formula butter bronzer. What did I just say? My Physicians Formula butter bronzer in deep bronzer. And this fluffy brush right here. I just bronze my face. I do my jawline because you gotta have that nice sharp jawline that notches everyone. Go to those cheekbones. Even though I have really defined cheekbones already, this just kind of adds them, and also just gives my face color again, because sometimes foundation, actually all the time, foundation can make you look really weird. So that's just helping me out there. And then I take this e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush. It looks like this. It's like flatter, and I take that and I kind of contour my nose. You know, I look like a crazy person if I stayed like this. Don't be my friend. So now I blend it out. Even though I just said it, like, you still have to, like, this is like important. Always blend out your contour because you do not want to look like fake and like you were just drawing lines all over your face, even though you were, but like you don't want to look like you were. If you wear any face makeup, always bring oil blotting sheets because you never know. You never know whenever you need to blot that face. So next I'm using my NARS Orgasm blush. It's a little mini. I'm using my blush brush from e.l.f. and I'm just blushing up my cheeks. I put on a lot of blush because I really like blush. I've been getting into it like since the end of school time last year. Okay, and I also put on the tip of my nose like this. For my eyes, I take some more bronzer in a fluffy brush, crease brush, you know, and I put that in my crease to define it and just like add some color. Okay, next I'm gonna be curling my eyelashes and putting on mascara. My name is No, just like popped into my head. My name is No. My sign is No. Next I'm using my fave mascara, the Essence Lash Princess, the purple one. Yeah, I love this one. Okay, the sun is out, guys, but I'm about to be able to take good pictures. Okay, so now bottoms. A lot of people don't do their bottom lashes, but I feel like doing my bottom lashes makes my eyes pop a lot more. And I do it with whatever leftover mascara is on the brush. Like, I don't dip back into it, because if you dip back into it, then it will get messy. My mascara looks really good right now, actually. Okay, and then the last step, well, second to last actually. The second to last step is highlighting. I kind of left all my highlighters at my mom's. I like didn't even bring my my Bretman Rock palette, but my favorite highlighters at the moment are the Makeup Revolution Gold Strobe Highlighter in like Gold Addict. That one is so pretty. And I also love Mahu from the Bretman Rock x Morphe palette. Those are really, really good highlighters, and I suggest that you get them. Anyways, we're gonna start highlighting, but I don't have those, so I'm gonna be using Nefertiti in the Huda Beauty palette. This is what I've been using since I haven't had highlighter. But I take this little small ES08 brush from Juno & Co. and I spray it, and I take Nefertiti. Kind of like there's like gold, like gold in this freaking glitter specks, which I'm not really like a fan of for like highlighters. But, like, this is like the closest I can get right now, so I just have to take it or leave it, really. But I do a little dot on my nose, and then like a line up the bridge, and then I blend out that line so it's not so harsh. And then I take that and I go into my inner corners, go onto my brow bone, and then I do my cupid's bow with this brush. Then I take my Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush, spray it, and I like pinch it so I can actually like get that color and not the other shades in the palette, and I highlight. And I keep spraying my brush just so like I can get like the full effect. This is definitely gonna hit pan, and I'm gonna be really sad because like it's a good eyeshadow, so like if I'm wasting it on highlighter, at least I'm using it. I mean, I highlight my chin. I don't know if you're even supposed to do that, but I do it. Highlight above my brow. Next, I moisturize my lips. I've been using the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula lip balm with SPF in it. It smells so good, like I would eat it, like seriously, it smells like cookies. And then I take my fave lip gloss, the Essence Shine 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 lip gloss in Behind the Scenes. It's kind of pink tinted right now because I put it over lipsticks. It's the best lip gloss, like that I've ever gotten. I'm gonna spray my face with Mario Badescu. This just sets my face. This is the final look. This is my back to school makeup tutorial. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you want to see any more videos. What videos, back to school videos you want to see from me. I keep burping. But yeah, follow on my social medias at MADDIE. I have Twitter, Instagram. I said medias. Follow on my Ew, like why do I have to like stop and like take a breather like as if like I'm dying? Follow on my social medias at MADDIE. I have Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. And I also have a dote and a depop if you guys want to follow them. They're both MADDIE. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is so pretty. I want to put that on my eye right now, like, oh my gosh. Okay, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye, seesters. Would you break it if you're honest? Tell the mirror what you know she's hurt.